Wandering down the street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes. Love balconies, love the energy. Saigon. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes. Love balconies, love the energy. Saigon. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need. Clear your mind, Saigon streets.
Okay, we got a very famous street. It's a Wednesday and it's in the evening time. There's a walking street. There's some people on the sign, sitting up on the sign and fixing it, which is kind of interesting. But we're gonna walk down that direction, but the other direction would be this. Looks like they have this all set up as well, but we're gonna walk in the other way. And they got tables and chairs all set up. They got the football game and another cool balcony up there. But we're gonna walk down that way, so stay tuned for that. Saigon District 1. Vien. This is the main nightlife street of all of Vietnam, maybe. But yeah, it's definitely a lot of energy, and I caught it at just the perfect time because the lighting is coming down. It's not so crazy as it will be a little bit later, and you just get a good idea of all the energy because all the people are there, but the crowds have not yet arrived, and the lighting is superb. So you probably want to see exactly where this is at on the map. So let me show you that. And you probably want to see the lyrics or the music. I've been playing around with AI, so that's behind me as well. And now we're going to get into the walk and talk where I'm going to narrate and walk down the street, and you're going to hear me and what I say when I'm there personally. Okay, another one of Saigon. I got lots more, so subscribe because I have 29 total of Saigon, and I'm just getting started with them. Okay, walk and talk. Okay, so keep in mind it's about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening, and it's also a Wednesday night, so it's actually a Wednesday night. So we are going to try to navigate through this traffic. I have to keep the camera secure and show you what it looks like on a Thursday, or sorry, Wednesday, Thursday. Got lots of kind of cool looking bars. So we are going to try to show you what it looks like. And we got lots of vendors, we got places to sit as well, happy hour as well. So, okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. Seafood, pasta. I'm gonna attempt to walk. Let me see. Let's go this way around this side. Got clubs. Tattoo parlor. So the main goal I have to do is kind of watch the phone with all the motorcycles. Okay. So now we're on one of the main streets right here. We got Volcano, 7-Eleven. And we're gonna go walk all the way down to the other end of the walking street. Lots of places all set up for the evening. Kids selling things. Okay. UFC going on tonight as well. All right. Another venue. Lots of places to sit as well. I'll do it. Okay. We're going to keep on strolling along. I am going to try to navigate. So I think later it's going to be kind of crazy crowded. Let's just kind of bring the camera up a little bit. All right, thank you. Just kind of navigating it all. Hello. All right. Got yes. Said, are you a YouTuber? The answer is yes. Okay, so got lots of places to sit as well. Saigon. Busy street. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking all the way down, and it's a Thursday. Hello. Thank you. So we're going to keep on strolling down. Blue sky. Cafe and beer.
One is
Crazy night. Lots of bars. So we're almost at the end of the main walking street. So that'll be kind of complete the tour. Hello. Then we got down here, we have kind of near the end, you got Waikiki, you got some other places. There's kind of chill little bars in here. And I guess the street keeps on going down. There's even a hotel way up at the top there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. Hello. So we're gonna keep on walking. Got another Waikiki restaurant right there. And we're gonna go all the way to the end of this one. Give you the full the full look at the whole street. So, okay, got a Vietnamese restaurant over here. Hello. 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 Yeah, Vietnamese people are pretty cool, actually. I mean, they want you to go into their businesses, but yeah, so hello. So we're gonna just keep on going down. And our end of our street is almost upon us, so. Okay. So the end of the street is just about here. Make sure I got the camera held securely. And so now we've just about, oh, there's a Mexican restaurant there. Tacos Fuego. Might have to come back for that. Tacos Fuego. Okay, so let's just keep on going down. And it ends with Fukulong. And that's going to be the end right there. Hello. So we're going to come all the way to the end. And there's our sign. I think what we're going to do, we'll just kind of show you what's over here real quick. So that's kind of the end of that street. And then we're going to end it. Vien. And on that note, a slice of Saigon for you on a Wednesday night about 6 p.m.
Every corner has a story, every street leads the way. There's something for someone walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone.